Hi, so if I wanted to assign this quiz, I'm gonna go to assign homework, and then I'm going to go to tomorrow, 10:15, however long you want. And then I want to assign to a class. So this is the part that you want to do. You want to assign to a class. It's not assigned to any classes. So you're gonna push select. And then if you notice, I have all these classes right here. I have Algebra 2, but it's not the ones I want. I'm missing my Algebra 1.2 class. So I'm going to go to Manage Classes, and then it's going to ask me which ones I want to add. So I'm going to tell it I want to add Algebra 1.2, and I want to get that class. So I'm going to do that. So now, if I go back to my quiz, I should be able to see Algebra 1.2. Okay, so if you don't have them here, then it's going to ask you to go to Manage Classes. And then you need to pick the classes you want. So over here on the left, you're going to click on the classes that you want. Or you can put Update Google Classes. But if you push this one, it's going to add all the old and new classes you have. So you don't really want to push this one. You want to push the classes over here on the left that you currently have right now. So it only adds the classes that are for this semester only. Okay? And then when you go back to the other page and you go to select, I'm going to click Algebra 1.2, and it's going to ask me, what do I want to name it? I'm going to name it number 005, solving quadratics. And then when do I want this game to start? I can start it now. I can start it later today, at noon. I can start it tomorrow, whatever time you want. So you start it whenever you see fit. Then I'm going to push next. And then these are all the other options that you have. Okay, so once you decide and you put assign game, it's already in the Google Classroom, and that's what it's saying. This quiz has been assigned. Your students will be notified on Google Classroom and their Quizizz accounts. You can allow students to join using a game code to click here. But if I do this, then I don't have to go put a Google game code for each class. It automatically puts it onto my Google Classroom, and I'll show you. If I go to my Google Classroom, not that one. If I go to my Google Classroom, and I go here to my 1.2, then it's gonna post to my classroom at 11 o'clock. Okay, so if I go to classroom, it's right here, number 5, solving quadratics. It's scheduled for 11 a.m. and I don't have to do anything. At 11 o'clock, it's gonna show up. Call me if you have any questions. Talk to you later.